Alright guys, you wanna join? Alright guys, so welcome to 115 Marina here at Marina Club Singapore. Bam! And the first thing before we are waiting for our check-in is to roam around and see what this hotel can offer. So let's go! Hi guys, so we are here at the grocery store. So we're planning to buy something for dinner instead kasi parang mas tipid siya. Mas tipid kung bumili na lang kami kaysa sa kumain kami sa hotel mismo. Given the hotel is a bit, expensive, so why not try to bring for dinner na lang and then microwave it. So guys, one practical money hack for everyone. Buy a ready-to-eat food. Yeah, actually, we were surprised how nice this food tasted. For only $4 to $5. Avail now! And this chicken, I think, costs about $8. Hey guys, look what I found here. These are actually wines, but in can. Oh, so amazing. And also, they have like ciders with different flavors. Another tip guys, when having a staycation, better book room during off-peak period. Usually the check-in day is Sunday until Wednesday. Hi guys, so welcome to our room. So it's 7 degrees, 15, whatever, privacy makeup room. So, let's check it out. Oh, nice. Okay, so they have like some coffee, of course, the priority in life, some capsules, and then some complimentary teas, water, and of course our stuff over there. A huge TV, dyan. And a very nice bedroom. And then just look at the view. Wow. Tignan mo. So you can see all the yachts. So not just the yacht, but also the large, big boats. So what are the features of the hotel as well? Each room, it's actually smart. Wow, very smart. So it can open and close the curtain using this tab. So if I'm going to click this, close. Open it. Oh, nice. Oh, it's not pre-cut, but okay, never mind. It's still okay. It looks like a leche flan. mukha siyang leche plan, pero pwede na rin. Walking around here at one something Marina, 15 square times 2. Yeah, so let's see. Alright, so we found a spot. So we just took a short pictures here. Maybe I'll show it to you now. So some videos or some photos, maybe for I don't know, for collection or something. So I think it's a good spot. See, feels like so atas. And I like the wind. I really like the wind. Okay. Let's walk around. So yun lang.